Hey guys, so I'm finally home from work and I just thought I would share with you guys what I do when my husband is at home. Hopefully you guys can find this entertaining. I'm not sure because, you know, it's literally just me staying home and just finding things to do, trying to keep myself occupied while he's gone. And yeah, most of the time I just come home, eat, and watch TV for the rest of the night. So I have a few things I need to do. Since I am filming, I hope that will encourage me to get stuff done. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this video. So this is all I'm gonna eat. I'm just gonna have 2 pieces of fried chicken, some cup noodles, and instead of eating some dry pepper, I'm just gonna use sriracha. And I'm just gonna watch some home movies on YouTube or vlogs, whatever it is that I wanna watch while I eat my dinner, and I will see you guys in a little bit. So I'm gonna get ready for work and I'm super tired. When I get ready for work, I just do like my basic makeup, my face makeup. I don't do any eye makeup or anything like that just because there's really no need to. I just fill them in pretty lightly. I don't really do much to it. And now I'm gonna go into my foundation. I usually try to mix these two together, but I feel like if I mix too much of this, then it's too dark for my face. And when I just put this on my face itself, it looks like it matches pretty well. It's just that my concealers are a little bit lighter, but we'll just go with it. Sun is already starting to come through, and this is exactly why I don't do my makeup towards this side anymore, because you can see all these lines and it just kind of messes up with the lighting, the way your makeup looks when you apply it on. So I usually do my makeup on my bed, like I'll put the mirror on my bed and I just turn the other way while I'm doing my makeup. I get to watch my husband sleep as well. I'm sitting on the ground, as you guys can tell. This is probably not like the best angle because I don't have a good spot to put you guys. So you guys are going to be a little bit slanted up. I do apologize, but I got some stuff on Amazon. I don't ever really order from there, but then what I do is just like a few things. But the first thing I got was I just repurchased my favorite eyelash glue. So these are the ones by, I'm not sure if it's Lust or LUS, probably Lust because there's like no periods in between the letters, but it's an eye liquid glue and it's really good. It's the one that I use all the time, and I'm running low, so I bought 4 of them. I have 2 of them here in this package and the other ones are already in my vanity. This is literally like the best thing. I bought 4 of them. I already have 1 of them in my bag because the other day I forgot where we went somewhere, so I just throw one of these in my bag, so if it smells bad when you go into like the public restroom, you can just spray a little bit of it, so that way it will make it a little bit more bearable. So that's that. And lastly, I got us both packing cubes. So it comes in like a pack of 6, and when I first opened these, I was like kind of freaking out. I was like, crap, did I buy the wrong size? Because this is really small and I thought this was like the biggest size that it came in. So I was like, crap, like I'm gonna have to reorder like a whole new set and everything. But everything else is packed inside of this. So it comes with like 2 big ones, 2 medium ones for your shoes, and 2 like smaller ones. So this is like the biggest size that they have. I know it doesn't look that big, and I hear that a lot from like other people on YouTube, that it doesn't look that big, but once you start putting stuff in there, it actually fits a lot. So there's the big one right here, and there's also another one as well. This is the same size as that one. They're good for like your clothes, your dress, your pants, your shorts, stuff like that. And then this one, the one that has like the little handle on the side, I believe. No, not this one. this one, I think this one is for your shoe, but then I'm obviously not gonna put my shoe in here. I'm just gonna put like my socks, my undergarments, any other stuff that, you know, it's just a lot smaller for the big compartment. I'm just gonna put it in these. When I was little, I really like to pack things in a suitcase because I never really traveled, so I always love the idea of, like, you know, packing your stuff in there. Like, it's just so fun. And one time I took my sister's like carry-on luggage and I just packed my clothes in there just for the hell of it. I wasn't going anywhere, I just wanted to so bad, so I just did it anyways. But yeah, I just want to sit and talk to you guys for a little bit. This summer has just been really crazy. There's just been a lot of stuff going on, and we're finally free of everything. We don't have anything coming up from as far as I know of. But yeah, we've had a really busy summer, and I try to record as much as I can, but certain things aren't posted just because it's personal. But yeah, our summer's just been so filled with like family and friends. Beginning of June, my brother got married, all my family was here. Every year for the past few years, we've been having like some big family events, so they've been able to come and visit us. And unfortunately, around that same time when my family was here, my husband's grandmother actually passed away. So it was really unexpected, and it just really sucked because we were planning a anniversary party for her and grandpa. So it's been going on for almost a year now, and we were literally just like, you know, a month away from the event happening, and she unexpectedly passed away. So it just really sucks, and it hurts, you know. It kind of pushed us back a little bit just because it's so unexpected and you almost don't know how to handle it. But the only thing you can do is just move on and just, you know, take it day by day. So yeah, so that really took a turn in our life and kind of shift everything. So our focus was completely shifted, and we were just focused on that. And my in-laws just left this past weekend, so everything is going back to normal now. Everybody's back home, everybody left, and it's just us now. And reality is just starting to sink in a little bit. And yeah, so we've just been really busy. Hopefully you guys will enjoy these next few clips of me cleaning and just organizing my desk, because it's messy. I can't stand it when it's messy because it just makes me feel like everything is really cluttered, and it makes it hard to find stuff. So I'm just gonna organize my stuff, and I will catch up with you guys in a little bit. I organized my vanity area, and I'm sorry, I know it does still look a little cluttered, but it definitely looks a lot better than it was prior to this. And yeah, so I just have my brushes and this little spinning thing right here, and I have a little organizer down here that I got from Marshall's. No, it was from TJ Maxx a couple years back, and I really liked it because I'm able to put stuff on top of it. And I just have these palettes that I was using. I'm not reaching for them as much because I've been using this Pixie palette that was in collaboration with Whaley Hong. I found it at TJ Maxx, and I really like it. I've been using this ever since, so I don't even gravitate towards my Jaclyn Hill or my Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes anymore. And back here I just have some foundation. I have a whole bunch of eyebrow pencils right here with lip liners, and just a few extra brushes that don't fit in this area right here because it's super full compact. I just have some setting sprays, my Nivea, and my Farsali, I think, unicorn essence right here as well. And I'm just putting this stuff right here because I don't have a spot for it. And above from here I have some lipsticks. I have Maybelline, Wet n Wild, and Anastasia lipsticks that I got from Marshall's. my loose powder, and I keep like all my eyeliners and eyebrow pencil, anything for my eyes up here, and I don't have space for these two, so I just jammed it up here. And this is all the concealers, and again I don't have space, so I'm putting my bronzer here. And at the bottom I have just powders, primers, bronzers, highlighters, and blushes and powders down here. So I think I already said that, but yeah, I have my glasses next to my little acrylic drawer, and I have two mirrors. My first one I got from IKEA. I know it probably still looks a little messy. It is still a little clutter for me, but it's better than what it was before. And this is what my makeup desk looks like every day when I do my makeup or when I'm filming. You guys will see my bed as a background, and this is what my little station looks like. And it's not much, but it's more than enough. I don't need a lot anymore. I'm kind of at that point in my life where I don't need to hoard that much makeup anymore. Like, yeah, do I want more stuff? Like, yeah, I do, but it's expensive. If I'm not going to use it, I won't get it. And yeah, this is all I have for now. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little clip right here of my vanity and what my setup kind of looks like. Okay, so you guys saw me organizing my makeup area, and I'm actually gonna clean my bathtub. And usually I would just be sitting down watching TV or YouTube and just be on my phone, but I'm trying to be productive because I sit all day at work, and the last thing I should be doing is sitting down. When I come home, I should really be getting stuff done. So this is what my bathroom looks like. I hate these towels so much, and I just need to clear up some stuff and clean the toilet, clean the bathtub, and wash some towels, and just kind of organize everything. So it's really small. There's not a lot of space in here. Alright, so I cleaned my whole entire bathroom, as you guys can tell. And yes, this rug is a little bit bigger for the space, but honestly, I don't really care. I just need it there when I get out of the shower so I don't slip and fall. And I got this little plant from Marshalls. I want to update it for a different plant, but I'm kind of picky on the kind of stuff I want in my bathroom, so I haven't purchased anything. And I switched out my hand towel right here. It's just a white one, and I have a little dog ladder, as my husband likes to call it, down here. That way whenever my nieces and nephew are here, they can use it so they can wash their hands up here. And I just put a new towel here so that way when I take a shower later, I have it. And I know there's a lot of white in here because, again, I hate these tiles. I hate the way they look. So I don't really want to add any color in here because it's just going to look really crappy. I mean, from the blue and the green, it just doesn't look good. It just doesn't go well together. So I try to keep it all white. I know it's really typical, but it just blends in a little bit better so it doesn't clash with the green. Just got home from work, and I'm actually going to drink some coffee. I'm trying out this International Delight coffee from Walmart, and I only poured this much because I don't want to drink a lot of coffee. And it's already going to be 6 o'clock, so I don't need that much. And I just have some hazelnut creamer that I'm going to add into it as well. I cut up all the watermelon, and I usually like to put it in this really big Tupperware that I got from Walmart as a set, and I just put it in the fridge so whenever my husband or I want to eat some, it's ready, it's nice and cold. And this one isn't too bad. It is starting to soften up a little bit. I never choose a watermelon because if it doesn't taste good, it's not my fault, it's my husband's fault. So yeah, I always make him choose. Alright guys, so I'm making some steamed rice rolls for my husband and I haven't cooked dinner in about a month now. I know it's pretty bad, but he's okay with it. Noodles and eggs. So yeah, tonight I finally decided that I need to cook something for him because I want like a good homemade meal to eat as well. So I'm gonna make some steamed rice roll. I think, is it there? It's over by the kitchen, if it's not there.
What the hell do you need your partition for?
I put it away over there.
You need a tub here?
No. So this is what we're eating for dinner. I made some steamed rice rolls and I asked my husband to help make some pepper for us. And I cut up this watermelon yesterday, as you guys saw, so we're just gonna eat this as well. We just got done eating dinner, so we're just watching some Hmong vlogs from Laos. And my husband is finally home. I miss you. I feel like time goes by so fast now that I don't have enough time to do anything. So that's why this whole entire week I made sure that I was productive when I came home from work. I did laundry, I cleaned the bathroom, I cleaned the house, and I just kind of tidy up a little bit of everything inside the house so that way I don't have to do it all tomorrow or all on Saturday. Today is finally Friday, and I felt like this week has been like the longest week ever, but also the fastest as well. And my face is super oily. I know I say that every time, but I'm seriously not kidding. You guys can see how oily it is. I'm just gonna take a powder and kind of mattify my face. And yeah, today is actually kind of cloudy, which I'm surprised because it was pretty nice earlier. It wasn't super hot. It was like in the like high, not high, but low 80s. And yeah, I think it's gonna rain. It looks really cloudy. I hope it does because I love the rain. I'm gonna change into something a little bit more comfortable, and he's in the shop right now. He's getting some stuff ready, getting some things clean, so I'm actually gonna change into something more comfortable, and then we're gonna head out and go and see our family. So yeah, so today's Sunday, and I'm editing my video right now, and I realized I never really said bye. I just want to come back on camera, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this type of video. Definitely subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you guys in the next video, and I'll catch you guys later.